Today I'll be talking about a watch I just bought. And of course, my channel is not a watch channel. There are a bunch of excellent watch channels on YouTube. My channel is a music channel. But I made this video because I recently purchased a watch that's a bit rare, to the degree that I couldn't find a single video of it on YouTube when I looked. It was only offered to TAG Heuer boutiques, that's standalone TAG Heuer stores, as opposed to jewelry stores who are authorized dealers of TAG, but also sell other brands. Those stores didn't get this. It was put out in 2014. I'm not sure when it was discontinued, but it is no longer made. And the one I bought was the only new conditioned example of it I could find on the internet. And after I bought it, the store now is out of stock. So they just had the one. So anyway, it is a TAG Heuer Aquaracer 500M Calibre 7 GMT. And like I said, it's a bit rare. I couldn't find any footage on YouTube of one. So in case there's someone else going through what I did, now you can find a little bit of a video on it. Okay, we are ready to unbox the TAG Heuer Aquaracer 500M Calibre 7 GMT. I will be using my Firebird, more than capable of this task. And we'll see how they packed it up. So this was from authenticwatches.com. That's how we have it packed. A little bit of paperwork in here. Business cards, certificates of authenticity. They do offer a 3-year warranty included on the movement of the watch. That's what they said over the phone. So 3 years. They are a gray market dealer. They're not an authorized dealer. So there's no TAG Heuer warranty, but there is a 3-year warranty through authenticwatches.com. 3 years on the movement. Set that stuff aside. Over there. Got, of course, instruction manual here. Plenty of reading material for later. Yeah, looks good so far. Some kind of a label on here I will remove. Not returnable if removed. So we'll take a good look first. I'll go over some of the specs of this watch while I show you some angles of it. It is, as the face clearly states, it is a 500 meter diveable watch, and that's about 495 meters more than I'll use, but it's cool. I like to wear dive watches because you just kind of don't have to worry about it. If you go out on a boat, if you go swimming in the ocean, clearly that's what they're meant for. If you're washing your car, you can leave them on in a lot of cases where some other watches you might worry if it's best to take them off. So yeah, 500 meters on this. It has the ETA 2893-2, which is the GMT variant of the 2892. And it's a 41 millimeter watch. I think the thickness was something like around 13 or mid to high 12s. I could check on that. And I also couldn't find anywhere what the weight was. It doesn't feel terribly heavy, but it doesn't feel too light so far. And I've only worn it with all the links in because I haven't had a pin and sleeve or pin and collar adjustment watch before, which this is. And I have a toolkit coming today to take some links out, so I can't actually take the links out yet, but with all the links in, it seems to be kind of a medium weight watch, not heavy, not light for its size. It's got the cool stripes on the face. I've just about finished resizing the watch, and I have all these tools out because this watch uses pins and collars as opposed to screws, which are a little bit easier to work with, but nonetheless, this gets the job done and end up with a watch that's sized correctly, so that's really all we're going for. So now that we're sized, there's the watch on my wrist. When you catch the light just right, you can get a look at those cool horizontal lines. It's a nice little detail. But yeah, there it is. We'll take a look at the case back because that's pretty neat too. Got that diving helmet. And all the info about the depth rating, which is beyond my needs, but it's cool to have. And then, of course, speaking of diving, grab the fold-out extension, which is a pretty basic extension, but at least it's there. And there it is. A couple other details about how the watch works. The GMT hand on this is the hand that gets the quick jump function. So you can move that one, whereas in, for example, Tudor and Rolex, the main hour hand, you can jump. But on this one, it's the GMT hand, so it just works a little differently. This helium escape valve does not screw out. You don't have to do anything with it on this watch. It's just there, and when the helium needs to get out, it will get out if you actually dive in a way that requires that sort of thing. And to take a look at the Loom on this watch, I've got a closet, I've got a flashlight. No windows in here, get nice and dark.
Here's a little update to finish off the video, as well as a view of what I actually do on YouTube most of the time. I've had this watch for about a month now, and I just got back from a trip out of town where I was in a different time zone, so I was able to make use of the GMT function, setting the blue GMT hand to my home time and the main hands to the current time. I also swam with the watch a couple times, taking advantage of about 1 of the 500 meters of water resistance. I made sure to rinse it in clean water afterwards. I've been wearing it pretty much every day. I wear it when I'm working, I wear it when I go out with friends. I don't wear it when I'm at the gym or working on my car or in the shower, as I've heard the steam from the hot water can weaken the seals. But other than that, I wear it a lot. I sleep in it some nights, and I can see the nice Loom if I wake up in the middle of the night. It's been comfortable. It has kept a really nice time. I don't know exactly how accurate. I haven't been measuring it, but it has been accurate. I will link in the description some of my favorite YouTube channels who do actually make watch content, because they've really helped me get educated on watches, and I think you'll really enjoy them too. All right, thanks for watching.